Smart health meets everyday life. In our daily lives, we often engage in routines that seem harmless, but can gradually impact our health. This highlights the importance of recognizing small daily habits. Understanding their effects helps us make healthier choices. Awareness is the first step towards change, and by identifying these habits, we can take proactive measures to improve our health. The concept of small daily habits refers to the repetitive actions we perform without much thought. These habits can be as simple as the way we sit, the amount of water we drink, or even our screen time. While individually they may seem insignificant, collectively they can lead to significant health issues over time. Let's break this down clearly so you can spot these habits in yourself. Poor posture, while sitting, can lead to back pain and other musculoskeletal issues. Inadequate hydration can affect kidney function and skin health. Excessive screen time can strain the eyes and disrupt sleep patterns. Skipping breakfast can lead to energy deficits and affect metabolism. Each of these habits, though seemingly minor, can contribute to long-term health problems if not addressed. Positive change and prevention are key to mitigating the effects of harmful daily habits. By adopting healthier alternatives, we can prevent the onset of health issues associated with these habits. Incorporating regular breaks during screen time can reduce eye strain and improve focus. Ensuring proper hydration throughout the day supports overall bodily functions. Practicing good posture can alleviate back pain and enhance comfort. By making small, consistent changes, we can significantly improve our health outcomes. By taking conscious steps to alter these habits, we can improve our well-being and prevent future health problems. Embrace the opportunity to transform your habits and enhance your health. Like, share, and subscribe to Healthiq Plus to spread awareness and encourage healthier living. Empowering healthier lives through smarter choices. Your health and well-being are our top priority.